Still flipping having it. Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Whoa, stay. I said the other day in one of my videos about Ian Matthews and the Scrap Goddess, and how right he was. That, yeah, you saw my disastrous start to my YouTube channel and took things apart and whatever. Anyway, I was given some things kindly by some neighbours. I had a Black & Decker strimmer given to me. Anyway, didn't bore you with the taking the strimmer apart. They were a good invention. I can't remember whether they came out in the 70s or 80s, but they totally transformed gardening. Instead of having shears to cut the edges and everything. But the problem with them, and even now when you buy one of the electric ones, is that the motor isn't powerful enough, and also the cord isn't thick enough. So you've all been there, seen it, done it. You've taken your time to take it apart, you cut it up, yeah, whatever, to the right size, and then you start, and then the first bit of grass that you do, bit the cord flies off. But that's why it's better to have a petrol one. But each to their own. So I took it apart, nothing magnificent as you know, so I'll just show you what I got out of it. Wasn't too bad taken apart. Okay, I lied. It was a bit of a pain to take apart. Early in the morning, don't take a strimmer apart. And why do they always put screws in that you can't get a good screwdriver head for them to, you know, a good screw for the head just won't accept it. Is it me? Is it me? Am I still, oof, I am. I've got to take a Horlicks or something to calm me down. 20 pints of Stella. Anyway, what I got out of it, oh, I'll bring you down to the, yeah, the bench. Let's have a little look together. Okay, bit of white wire inside. Let's not let's take it out so that it'll, can you see that against my, yeah, it's a very thin gauge copper, but copper's copper at the end of the day. So that's that to be stripped. And then of course we've got the main lead, which was quite long, and I had to, yeah, obviously cut it. There we go, got the old plug on it. Oh, it's an old one. I can take it apart without having to boil it like Snobby does. So there we go. That's a little bit thicker. I was put against the, that's a thicker gauge, so that'll be all right to strip apart. So there's a bit more copper. Oh, there's my other piece. And then we've got our trusty bit of aluminium for the old handle. Only got a couple of bits of copper out. Let's put it in the palm of my hand so that you can see. And I've already lost a bit. 2 connections there, and there's a spring just there, so nothing to write home about, but it's a bit of copper, so I'll sort that out after. Bit of stainless steel, and we had only a little amount of, let's put it in my hand so that hopefully you can see it. In fact, it's so small, gone up, yeah, right. Only a little bit of brass. There we go. Let's tilt you down a bit more. There, just bits and bobs. So that'll go in the brass. Yeah. And then we had some screws and a bit of, well, basically steel. Nothing to write home about. Steel never is. So there we go. Let's put it in there. That's getting a bit full. And of course we had the little motor. Very, very small, and that's one of the problems with these strimmers, that the power isn't there, and also the thickness of the cord is too weak even for this size motor. So that's what I got out of. Let's put you up so I can see you. Oh, I better put that away. Put that away. And I better put all these things away because I'm useless otherwise. I can see a bit of aluminium that I've left out. So, strimmer, is it worth it? I don't know, not really. I don't think so, but if there's nothing else out there, I just take apart anything. I'm just interested. But you seasoned scrappies, well, scrappers will know what to take and what not to take. And yeah, not the easiest thing to take apart. Molded plastic, the screws that I said about the heads and everything. I did give it some Sammy love earlier on. Some serious Sammy love. So we got there in the end. So that's all that you get out of a strimmer. Okay, I'll come clean. And as I said, yes, it got to me. I'd had enough. There's only so much a person can take. I don't lose my rag very often. It takes a lot to ruffle my feathers, shall I say. I'm usually like, yeah, whatever. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. And yeah, just mosey along in my own little way, quite happy, until the strimmer. These things just keep happening to me. Now, a lot of you might remember the TV show Fawlty Towers. With John Cleese, and his car played up one time, and he got out and he got a branch and he hit the hell out of it. Well, that is what reminds me of how I behaved with this strimmer. I wasn't sure whether the camera was on. It was like, is it on? Is it not on? I didn't care at that stage. I was absolutely, I had really had enough with this strimmer. It absolutely driven me potty. So I'll leave you with the clip that I found on the SD card. I hope it brightens your day up, because I really lost it. I lost it big time. I was absolutely at the end of my tether. Right, I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy. Hope you laugh. This is doing my head in. Blinking. Yeah, you can bloody go in the bin. Oh, actually helping me now, coming apart here, after all that bloody time. You had to, didn't you? Yeah, did my flipping head in. Right, you're going in the bin. Yep, pain. Yeah, so much bloody plastic now. You're the bit that can't fit in. Yeah, you're having it. If I was allowed to burn you, I bloody well would. Give me alcohol, anything. That has done my flipping head in. Just calm breaths. It's only a bit of wire, bit of plastic. Still flipping having it, you bastard. Right. Still haven't given up, have you? Still got to give you some Sammy blinking love to totally destroy you. You're having it. Yeah, had to leave that as a reminder as well, didn't you?